Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly hidden command prompt tips and tricks you need to know. Here are some PC tricks that will really impress your friends if you forgot the Wi-Fi password for the network you're on. I got a cool trick for you first. Just press the Windows key and R on your keyboard, then type CMD in this box and hit OK. Then in the command prompt box, you're going to type in this. You can pause here if you need to. And where it says Wi-Fi name, you're actually going to type in the name of your Wi-Fi network. So mine's just ASP Media Network. And then when I hit enter next to where it says key content, it'll actually reveal your password. Easy also. If you ever have an activate window, no watermark. Like this one right here, you can open your command prompt that this time run as administrator. And then if you type this in it and hit enter and then restart your computer, it'll actually temporarily remove your windows. Watermark easy. And one last thing you can do with your command prompt is, if you type color A and hit enter, it'll change into this cool matte color. And now, when you type on it all, your friends will finally think you're cool. And to really impress them, type in this, and then hit enter. And you'll be able to watch an Ask version of the 4th episode from Star Wars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more content.